So Brian over at Hawk Mazda of Joliet. Just going to explain where the emergency brake is at. Most vehicles, again, you're parked in an incline in your driveway or street. You're looking for the lever to pull up or the pedal to push down, and there are none. Miata is the only vehicle that still has that, but all the new Mazdas got this little switch here. It says P on it. That's your emergency brake. So what you're going to do when the car is running, of course, basically put your wheels in the right direction. You're facing up or down, whether it's your driveway or street again. What you're going to do with the brake pedal down, you're going to pull up on the lever. It's going to engage. The light's going to come on. The only thing is I might not get it to go off. I'd have to start the car, but I don't want to do it when I'm in the dealership. But to shut it off, it's as easy again. Getting into the vehicle, starting it up. You'll see the lights on, and when you hit the brake pedal and keep it there, push down on the switch, and it's going to disengage. It's still on though, but it's not going to do it until I start it. So let me start it up. So again, when brake pedal down, push down, the lights off. Good to go. Now you're able to drive. Brian over at Hawk Mazda Joliet. Looking for any more answers, give me a call. It's 815-773-7621. You have a great day.